Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video tutorial we will learn how to install Visual Studio Code on Ubuntu. So let's start. So first we will go to this Chrome, open it. Here I will search for Visual Studio Code. Now go to this first link visualstudio.com. As you can see here that .deb and .rpm downloads are available for Linux. So we'll click on this zip file. So now you can see here that the download has started. It will take some time, so we will wait. So now the download is complete and I will go to the show in folder. I'll right click here, open terminal here, and now to install I'll write sudo d package -i, and now we will write our package name. So I'll use code and then I will press tab and it will complete the package name. And now I'll hit enter. It will ask me for password. I will provide my password. So now you can see it is unpacking files. Like enter here. And now the installation is complete. So I'll close this. I'll close this as well. This as well. And now I'll come to this applications. I'll go to next page. And here you can see Visual Studio Code. So I'll double click on it to open it. So now you can see here our Visual Studio Code is installed and open. So in this way you can install Visual Studio Code on Ubuntu. So I think that's all for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.